Hey guys, Tokyo Man here. Another vlog, heading home, finished work. In the last few days I have with the Fat Boy. Getting my new bike on Saturday. Kind of mixed feelings. I mean, excited for the new bike and all, but you know, I have nothing bad to say about my Fat Boy. It's been a good bike to me. Wish I could have kept it, but it is what it is. So yeah, trade her in. I bought a 2019 Street Glide Special. Which is going to be a nice upgrade actually. Bigger bike, bigger motor. More creature comfort options in it. Cruise control, the boombox GTS has Apple CarPlay on it as well. More comfortable seat. It's a bagger, so you got tons of storage. Got wind protection. Yeah, it's gonna be a nice upgrade, and I plan on enjoying the bike, riding on the highway more. This one I rode on the highway maybe just a handful of times. It's okay, but it's not the best. But for an around town bike, it's been really great. So that's that. Also in the works, I'm thinking of renaming or adding a channel, the YouTube, to reflect the new bike, and I want to take the channel to a new direction, and I really want to have more subscribers and get the 1,000 subscribers so I can monetize. That would be great. That would be really nice. And I have a lot of ideas floating around, content wise, and also format and stuff like that, so hopefully I'll have time to work on that, and hopefully you guys will enjoy it. So yeah, I had this bike almost 3 years actually. Over 3 years? 3 years. About 3 years. Yeah, it's been a good bike. I say it's been reliable, never, you know, left me stranded, but it does have some quirks. Still a 15-year-old bike, so, but for a 15-year-old bike, yeah, it's been great. It's been fantastic. What I'm excited about also with the Street Glide is the better brakes. So if there's one thing I did not like about the Fat Boy, is it really subpar brakes for a bike of this size and this weight. So I know the Street Glide is actually bigger and heavier, but it's got dual disc Brembo brakes in front, so, and I think it has ABS as well, so I think it will be much better. Double G-Wagon, nice. There's a lot of money in Tokyo, that's for sure. See those nice cars all the time. Get in front here. excuse me. There we go. So yeah, that's the big exciting news, getting a new bike and stuff. Yeah, do some changes to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys will stick around, and I hope many more of you will subscribe. That's my goal. Not blaming you guys. I know I've been lazy with YouTube, you know. I'm not really a whiz at editing. I mentioned that before, so I'll work on it. Alright, so get in front of that bus here. Okay. What else? Yeah, not much. Working. Still Corona sort of raging on. So far I think Japan is the #1 country in the world at the moment for the COVID spread, but I think less and less people are giving a shit, you know. We're just tired of it, and most of the population vaccinated and stuff. It's not as deadly, so something we have to learn to live with, really, you know. I had it last February, and yeah, that was nothing really. I had worse cold. I know symptoms are not the same for everybody, but Chinese car there. Yeah, I look forward to be able to lose a face diaper indoors as well, especially in the summer. It's pretty hot. Nearing the end of it though. Like dicks, no turn signal, nothing, you know. Not hard signals. Like here, you kind of have to be aggressive. But please, you know, ride without, you know, being a total inconsiderate dick like this, in my opinion. Wow, he's using a turn signal now. Mind blown. Home. So yeah, guys, stand by. Say for YouTube changes, and hopefully you will enjoy the content, the new format, and the new ideas I'll put forward. And please like, share, and subscribe. Catch you all later. Ciao.